Welcome back to Cheddar. Sports betting has been a winning play for companies in the space over the past year, and now one of them is cashing in on Wall Street. Gambling data company Sportradar making its debut on the Nasdaq. Let's check out how SRAD is doing so far today. They are up more than 24 points. Shares opening at $27, exactly where the IPO was priced last night. Sportradar's IPO valuing the company at nearly $8 billion. Joining us now is Alex Gersh, CFO at Sportradar. Sir, before we dive in, your company ringing the opening bell at the Nasdaq this morning with NBA legend Michael Jordan. What role does his airness play as your company looks for a slam dunk on Wall Street?
Well, he's a terrific advisor to the company. What we were looking for, what Michael is an incredible competitor who understands the value of data and technology when it comes to sports and fan engagement. And we're looking forward to working closely with him as we design our new products and services.
Now, Sportradar going public via a traditional IPO today, but we understand your company was expected to go public via a SPAC merger earlier this year. So why did those plans change?
They didn't really change. What we've had is when we started the process, we started a dual process. We went both ways, and when we got to the point where we needed to make a decision, our board, our shareholders, and our employees decided that this was the right way for the company to go. And that's why we picked IPO route at the end.
So your company joining the Nasdaq at a time when sports betting is as popular as ever. What momentum have you seen in the past year, and how has it impacted your timeline for going public?
Well, just to give you a few figures, right? In the last 6 months of the year, in the first 6 months of 2021, if you compare it to the first 6 months of 2020, we grew our revenue 42%. We grew our EBITDA 47%. There's huge momentum in the market. When you're looking at the US market alone, there is the TAM, the addressable market for us, in 2019 was about 1 billion. In 10 years' time, we expect it to become closer to 23, 24 billion. So there's a huge opportunity for us. And because we serve 85% of all of the licensed bookmakers in this country, we have a tremendous installed customer base that will allow us to grow very, very significantly over the next number of years.
Now, you work with several online sports betting outlets like DraftKings and FanDuel. What type of solutions do you provide for these companies?
We have lots of different solutions. We start with data, but then we move up the chain by providing the ad services, trading services, advertising services, audiovisual services. There's lots and lots of different things we can sell our customers, and we're still designing and developing new services every day.
And we know that Sportradar works with several professional sports leagues as well, but one of your competitors, Genius Sports, now has rights to the NFL. What steps is your company taking to distinguish itself from competitors in other ways?
We work with 150 leagues around the world. In the US alone, baseball, basketball, as well as hockey, NHL, NBA, and MLB are all our customers, right? You can't win every deal at the end of the day. We're working with the NFL as well on the broadcast side of things, and we will continue to power forward with the tremendous customers and the league partners that we have.
And how are you utilizing some of your other clients, tech giants like Apple and Google and sports media platforms like ESPN and Fox Sports to engage fans?
Well, this is what we're working on. We're working on using the data to effectively personalize fan engagement experience for the customers. That is the next big idea that we are working very hard at.
And Sportradar it's not new, it's been around for 2 decades. What are some of the biggest changes you're seeing when it comes to sports data solutions now and going forward?
Well, I think obviously the new markets are opening up very, very quickly. For many years, Europe was our major market, and that's where we operated, and that's where we grew. But now we're looking at the United States. We're very excited about India. We're very excited about potential in Latin America, particularly Brazil. We're very excited about Africa. As sports betting become legalized all over the world, we are the partner of choice for most operators in a lot of these places.
And as you mentioned, you feel that the market for sports betting is going to reach somewhere upwards of $20 billion plus. So what are some initiatives Sportradar will look to achieve in the months ahead with this in mind?
We continue to focus on our customers. One of the things that's great about Sportradar, we work with all the largest bookmakers, right? And so the question you always ask your greatest asset, which is your customers, how can we help you? And we're talking to them all the time about the services that they want to offer their customers. And that's how we develop our own solutions.
All right, really quick, gotta ask, Alex Gersh, favorite sport, favorite player?
Favorite sports, I love New York teams. I've lived in New York for 20 years. Any team in New York has always been my favorite. Favorite player, it's very, very hard to say, but certainly Michael Jordan would be right at the top of the list.
Good answer, Alex Gersh, CFO at Sportradar. Sir, thank you so much, and congratulations on going public today. I appreciate your time. Thank you.